You bought a Ram 1500. Good truck. 5 years later, it has cost you $9,000 in maintenance, and CarEdge says you have $8,677 more to go. The buyer at the next dealership that day bought a Tacoma. His 10-year bill is $6,931. Total. 7 trucks ranked by what they actually cost after 60. And at the end, the one number that explains why this keeps happening to Ram owners. Number 7. 2024 to 2026 GMC Canyon. For a driver over 60, the GMC Canyon's 213.2-inch length makes parking at medical appointments and grocery runs genuinely less stressful than any full-size alternative, compact enough to slide into a standard space without a second attempt, but carrying 7,700 pounds of towing capacity, so there is never a reason to step up to something larger and more expensive. The controls are clearly arranged, and the cabin sits at a height that allows natural entry without step assist on most configurations. The cost picture backs that practicality directly. CarEdge documents $9,531 in 10-year maintenance, $94 below the truck class average, because the LZU turbocharged 4-cylinder shares service intervals and parts with the Chevrolet Colorado across millions of combined production units. When a component fails on this engine, the competitive repair market for that part is already established. Every independent shop has seen it before. No dealer can charge a scarcity premium. That shared parts architecture is the specific reason a turbocharged truck stays below the class average rather than above it. Number 6 costs less than $3,200 over 5 years, the lowest 5-year maintenance figure of any truck on this list, and its step in height requires no climbing, no running board, and no effort. Number 6. 2024 to 2026 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Getting in and out of the Hyundai Santa Cruz after 60 requires no climbing and no step assist. The unibody platform places the floor at a height the body already understands, more like sitting into a crossover than stepping up into a truck. That entry experience is the most immediate daily benefit, and it does not come at any cost to the truck's capability or reliability. 3 independent sources confirm what the data says about this vehicle. U.S. News named the 2026 Santa Cruz the most reliable truck of the year. J.D. Power assigned it 88 out of 100. C-Cars gives it 9 out of 10 from their study of over 312 million vehicles. CarEdge documents the 5-year maintenance cost at $3,193. The mechanism is the unibody platform itself, which shares its architecture with the Hyundai Tucson and requires no separate frame maintenance, combined with a naturally aspirated 4-cylinder that carries no turbocharger to service, no intercooler to inspect, and no boost-related wear patterns. Hyundai backs every Santa Cruz with a 10-year and 100,000-mile powertrain warranty, the longest factory coverage of any truck on this list. Number 5. 2025 to 2026 Ford Maverick. The Ford Maverick has the lowest step-in height of any truck on this list. Entry requires no climbing, no running board, and no preparation, which Car Interior's Senior Driver Guide specifically names as the Maverick's most important over 60 advantage. The controls are straightforwardly arranged, the cabin is compact enough to park anywhere, and 42 miles per gallon in the city driving means the truck that is easiest to get into is also the cheapest to fuel every week. The maintenance story behind those numbers is about something most buyers never think to ask about. The 2.5-liter Atkinson cycle hybrid uses regenerative braking. The electric motor captures energy during deceleration rather than converting it all to heat at the brake pads. The practical result is brake pad life of 80,000 to 100,000 miles, rather than the 30,000 to 40,000 miles a conventional drivetrain produces. That eliminates 2 to 3 full brake service events per axle across a decade, at $400 to $600 per service each time. That single saving alone accounts for a meaningful portion of why the Maverick Hybrid's 5-year ownership cost ranks among the lowest of any truck in the segment. The top 4 trucks on this list all carry 10-year maintenance figures under $9,000, a threshold no full-size American truck in 2026 can match. If this is useful, hit the like button. We are not at the Honda yet, and number 4 has the lowest 5-year cost of any traditional pickup truck in America. Number 4, 2024 to 2026 Honda Ridgeline. The Honda Ridgeline sits at an entry height. Car Interior's 2026 Senior Driver Guide specifically recommends for retirees with mobility concerns. Unibody construction places the floor at a natural standing to seated transition that requires no climbing and no step assist. The same movement the body makes getting into a living room chair, the in-bed trunk provides genuinely useful lockable storage at ground level, which means loading groceries or medical equipment never requires lifting over a tall bed wall. RepairPal documents the annual cost at $502 per year, less than half the $936 full-size truck average, and CarEdge puts the 5-year total at $2,810, the lowest of any traditional pickup truck with a proven multi-year reliability record. The mechanism is the J35Y4 naturally aspirated V6 shared with the Honda Pilot, the Passport, and the Odyssey simultaneously. Every independent shop in America stocks its parts, every technician has seen it, and no dealer can charge a scarcity premium on a component that appears in 4 other platforms already in their service bay. When a part fails, the competitive repair market for that exact component is already established and already driving the price down. Number 3, 2024 to 2026 Ford Ranger. Vern Ida Ford's Senior Driver Guide specifically highlights the Ranger as one of the easiest Ford trucks for older drivers to enter and exit, citing the available step assist and power-adjustable seats as the features that matter most for over 60 daily use. The forward visibility over the hood is excellent, a meaningful safety quality for drivers whose peripheral awareness has naturally changed with age, and the 210-inch footprint parks in spaces that a full-size truck cannot reach. RepairPal gives the Ranger a 4 out of 5 reliability rating with an annual repair cost of $605, and the 5-year value retention of 72% is one of the strongest resale figures of any mid-sized truck, which matters directly to a driver over 60 because it determines how much of the original purchase price comes back when the truck is eventually sold or traded. The EcoBoost. 2.3-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder requires one discipline to stay in that favorable cost tier. Full synthetic oil at 7,500-mile intervals without extension. Skip those intervals and the maintenance profile shifts upward in ways that are difficult to reverse. Number 2 is the full-size Toyota that Finance Buzz documented as one of only 2 trucks in America where CarEdge projects under $8,000 in 10-year maintenance, separating it from every domestic full-size truck by thousands of dollars. Number 2, 2024 to 2026 Toyota Tundra. The Toyota Tundra's elevated cabin and wide door openings allow senior drivers to enter and exit without step assist on most trims. And once seated, the commanding forward sightline is among the best of any full-size truck, providing the situational awareness at intersections and parking lots that drivers over 60 consistently identify as one of their most important daily safety priorities. The iForce Max Hybrid delivers smooth, linear power delivery in stop-and-go traffic without the surge that some full-size engines produce at low speeds. The controls are clearly arranged and physically tactile, not buried in a touchscreen. CarEdge documents the 10-year maintenance cost at $7,226, $2,399 below the truck class average, and Finance Buzz confirmed it as one of only 2 trucks in America where CarEdge projects under $8,000 in 10-year costs. The mechanism is conservative engineering iteration. Toyota refined the Tundra's platform from failure mode maps, already debugged across millions of Sequoias, Land Cruisers and prior Tundra generations. The V3 5A-FT S-Twin Turbo V6 is a meaningful advance in power and efficiency, but the manufacturing tolerances and quality control benchmarks were carried forward from a culture that has spent decades making expensive repairs rarer rather than faster to fix. IHS awarded the Tundra a top safety pick designation. Number 1 is $6,931 over 10 years. It has the lowest major repair probability of any midsize truck. One owner drove their previous generation example to 337,000 miles on nothing but regular oil changes. Physical controls that are clearly labeled and intuitively arranged. And at the end of this entry, the specific engineering decision that separates it from the Ram 1,500 by $10,746, explained directly. Number 1, 2024 to 2026 Toyota Tacoma. The 2024 Tacoma redesign delivered something the previous generation often drew criticism for: a revamped interior with physical controls that are clearly labeled and intuitively arranged, directly addressing the most common over 60 frustration with newer vehicles whose functions are buried in touchscreen menus. The elevated seat provides excellent forward visibility over the hood, the cabin step-in height is manageable without assist on most configurations, and the iForce Max Hybrid delivers smooth low-speed power that makes daily driving less fatiguing than a conventional powertrain at the same output level. The CarEdge 10-year maintenance cost is $6,931, $2,694 below the midsize truck class average and the lowest of any truck on this list. The major repair probability over that period is just 19.12%, which is more than half a percentage point below comparable trucks and less than half the 54.8% probability CarEdge documents for the Ram 1,500. One owner documented their previous generation Tacoma crossing 337,000 miles on nothing beyond regular maintenance intervals. Now, here's the payoff promised at the start. The specific engineering decision that explains the $10,746 gap between the Tacoma and the Ram 1,500 is not mysterious. Toyota engineers the Tacoma's powertrain to a reliability specification before a performance specification. When Toyota sets the target for a component, the first question is how long it needs to last and how rarely it should fail, and the performance output is then built around that durability ceiling. Ram's engineering priority sequence runs in the opposite direction: performance and capability first, with durability as a downstream optimization. Neither approach is dishonest. They are different engineering philosophies producing measurably different 10-year cost outcomes for owners who never knew to ask which one they were buying. Consumer Reports did flag the 2025 Tacoma for slightly below average predicted reliability following 3 early recalls. Buyers who want the most proven configuration should target 2025 or 2026 examples after those concerns were addressed, or consider the previous generation naturally aspirated V6 available used in the $28,000 to $38,000 range. Every truck dealer in America knows the Ram 1,500 costs $17,677 to maintain over 10 years. They know the Tacoma costs $6,931. They are not hiding it. That data is public and anyone can look it up in 5 minutes. The gap exists because 2 trucks were built to 2 different engineering priority sequences, and the American truck market rewards the one that looks more impressive in a test drive rather than the one that costs less to live with for a decade. Every truck on this list was chosen because the data says the reverse is possible. And after 60, the data is the only number that actually matters. Drop your current truck in the comments with the year, engine, and your honest annual maintenance figure. We will tell you how it compares to the CarEdge projection. We read every one. See you in the next one.